皆さん、こんにちは。午後日本語へようこそ。今日のテーマは時間です。Well, not the concept of time, but in fact, how to tell the time in 日本語。では、また頑張ってくださいね。In Japan, they have 12-hour and 24-hour time. Telling the time in Japanese is quite simple. 12-hour time is a little bit harder. So let's try. It is just the number in Japanese plus G, and that'll be o'clock. So 3 o'clock is 3G, 6 o'clock is, 6G, 8 o'clock is 8G, and careless 4 o'clock because it is pronounced yoji, not yonji or shiji. You also need to make sure that you state if it's AM or the morning, or PM, afternoon or night. In Japanese, this goes in front of the time. So 12 AM would be AM 12. So just make sure you pay attention to that. AM in Japanese is gozen, zen. You could also say asa no. It's probably more common. PM in Japanese is gogo home. And you could also say hiru no, which is the afternoon, or yoru no, which is the night. And these are probably more common than gogo. Gogo is a little bit more formal. So, some examples. 4 a.m. gozen yoji or asa no yoji. 2 p.m. gogo niji or hiru no niji. 10 p.m. gogo juji or yoru no juji. And that's it. You've mastered the concept of time. Almost. 24-hour time, probably even easier because you don't have this concept of AM, PM. It's just you need to know that, for example, 20 o'clock is in fact 8 o'clock. So it's just a number in Japanese plus G. The numbers can get pretty big. So 22 o'clock is 22G. And you need to use mathematics to work out what the actual time is because we don't really use 24-hour time in Australia. Something to be aware of anyway. And minutes is just same order as in English, so it goes hour then minutes. Pronunciation of minutes in Japanese changes depending on the number that is in front of it. So 5 minutes is gofun, 10 minutes is juppun, 15 minutes is jugofun, 20 minutes is nijupun, 25 minutes is nijugofun. Multiples of 5 is fun, so gofun, and multiples of 10 are juppun. Just be careful of that. Hours and minutes combined, 5:25 a.m. And we're going to do these examples on the board in a sec. 6:10 p.m., 3:45 p.m, and 1:30 p.m. G'day, Pikachu. So 5:25 a.m. We can do it in two ways. The first way, have a go. Gozen, goji, and this is the kanji for ji. 25 分, and that's the kanji for minutes. Nice and easy. You could also say asa no goji, not niji, goji, 25 分. And that's it. Let's have a look at the next example. 6:10 p.m. So, 6時10分. You notice I'm not writing the kanji in numbers. The numbers for the kanji. The kanji for the numbers. Yoru no 6時10分. So in Japanese, they have the numbers, the kanji in numbers, but they don't really use them. So 3:45 p.m. gogo 3時45分. And because this is the afternoon, you could also say 昼の3時45分. And the very last one, there's a couple of ways we could do it because 30 could also be read as half past. It means the same thing, just different ways of doing it. So let's have a look. you could say hiru no or gogo, either way. Means the same thing. Ichiji han. I made a mistake with the kanji. It needs to go all the way through. I apologize. You could also say hiru no ichiji 30分. And that's it. They've mastered the concept of time. Well, telling the time in Japanese. 頑張ったね. Hai. There's still a few more examples of times that we want to go through. So let's have a look at those. For example, we have non-specific time. Normally we have the time particle ni, but these in fact don't use the time particle ni after them. So, for example, yesterday is just kino, not kino ni. We have then other ones like specific, so that's days of the week or months, that kind of thing. You need to add ni after them normally. And we have these ones on the bottom right where sometimes you use ni. Just have a go. If you make a mistake, doesn't matter. Learn from it and move on. That's the important thing about learning languages. So in the next slide, in fact, we're going to go through some examples where we use some of these. So if you need to go back, just have a look. Write the following in Japanese. I will go to Japan next May. I eat sushi at 1:20 p.m. Yesterday, the teacher read a book at 5 p.m. She will drink coffee next Tuesday. I will eat pizza tomorrow. The teacher went to the zoo yesterday morning. My dog drank water this morning. He will eat pizza at 4:30 p.m. today. And that's it. Pause the video here so you can have a crack at writing these sentences in Nihongo. And then keep playing the video so you can find out the answers. So, 8番. 彼は今日の昼の4時にピザを食べます。And 1. 私は来年の5月に日本に行きます。2. 私は昼の1時にピザを食べます。3. 昨日先生は昼の5時に本を読みました。Because it's yesterday, we've got to change the tense of the verb to past tense. 4. 彼女は来週の火曜日にコーヒーを飲みます。5. 私は明日ピザを食べます。6. 先生は昨日の朝に動物園に行きました。Again, time. 7. 今朝犬は水を飲みました。And that's it. They're the examples of time. Did you get them all right? If not, no worries. Again, it's all about making mistakes and learning from them. これはインドのタージマハルです。で、質問はいつ行きますか? Try and answer in the comments. So, fun fact, this is in fact an optical illusion. Do a little bit of research on it. It's quite interesting. で、いつか行ってくださいね。じゃあ、ありがとうございました。また午後日本語を見てくださいね。はーい。